like this to be with me. How much more do I need to keep begging you? I'm so exhausted. I'm so exhausted, please.
So why did you think walking away will not give me more peace?
Because I can give you peace.
No, you can't.
I can't.
I've tried.
No, we didn't try. We didn't try. We didn't try.
See, let me tell you, from day one, it was not even up to 2 weeks. We started having crisis. Can't you see it yourself? A relationship that is not up to 3 months.
It can work.
You see the crisis.
It can work.
See me, it's like you don't know me. I'm a very peaceful person. Anything that would threaten my peace, I'll just run away. I told you right from day one. I told you right from day one that, babe, please, I'm a very peaceful person. I've been just using that word. If I see that my peace will be threatened, I'll just run away. I'll just run away. Even as it is now, my auntie will tell me, we don't have anybody here. The family may see they don't have anybody here in Abuja. I'm the only family they have in Abuja. Just like all those ones came this morning. You know, I cannot even bring my cousin to come and stay with me. My wife see they want to do something. Because somebody will come and tell you, oh, now Prince girlfriend, no. The next thing, everywhere will start catching fire. Somebody will come and tell you, oh, this one or this, oh, this one or this. So please, I just want that peace so that anybody that comes around me can be happy, so that, where is Captain? Where is Captain Osa today? Where is Captain Osa with all the money? So I don't want to die young. Anything that will break or destroy my peace, I don't want it. You don't need to cry because you caused all these things that are happening. I told you right from day one. If I didn't tell you, that would be a different thing. I told you.
Oh, thank God.
The man came to your room 2:30 in the morning. Early in the morning, he told you, I'm at your door. There was no communication again till 6 minutes past 8 in the morning, and you are asking me to think otherwise.
If he slept in my room, would I be saying good morning by 8 o'clock? If he slept in my room?
He's the one who said good morning. You said, what a night.
Yeah. So if he said good morning, would he be saying it when he slept in my room?
You cannot sleep in your room. Some people can just come and spend time and just go.
Prince, I've told you the truth.
That is not the truth.
I have told you the truth.
Because if you wanted to...
I have told you my truth. I have told you my truth. Nothing happened. But if you want to do this your way... God.
If you told me your truth, why did you delete your messages?
Because I was scared. Because I was so scared. I didn't know how to explain it to you. Someday you're going to know the truth. Maybe not today. Maybe not tomorrow. Maybe you will never get to find out the truth, but someday you're going to know the truth. And I pray that God's going to keep you alive to know the truth. Because heard this before. I know you have heard it before. But I can't stand to lose you. And if you cannot take me back, I swear, I don't know how to convince you. But please, I'm just going to beg you to take care of my son for me. Just please, just take care of my son for me. That's all I'm going to beg you to do. Please, please just do this one thing for me. Don't let his father come close to him. Just take him like your own. Please, do everything that you can. Do everything you can to please raise him like your own. That's all I'm going to say to you. I'm tired. My heart is tired. My whole being is tired. Since I walked into your door, I've been made to feel like I'm nobody. I am somebody. I am somebody. I'm a human being. And because I love you so much, it doesn't make me less a human being.
You said we should talk. So why are you walking away from the conversation?
You need to tell me, please. I can't convince you. I can't convince you. I can't. I can't. Just convince you. I can't do anything.
So where are you going? If he doesn't want the conversation, then why did you come? See your airport.
You're going to hear about me. That's all I'm going to say. You're really going to hear about me.
How?
I don't know, but you are.
See, let me tell you something, eh? This thing that you are trying to do is what we call blackmail.
I'm not blackmailing you. I'm not. I'm tired of life already. It's not about you.
You know.
It's not about you.
So.
I'm not blackmailing you.
So.
I can't blackmail you. You told my friends that even if I was going to die, I could die. So why would I use blackmail for you? You sent me a message already. I can't do that. I just want to tell you the truth.
So you think, let me tell you, if I wanted to have given you a second chance, because of the way you acted now, I won't do that.
It's okay, Prince.
I won't do that.
Okay.
Because I'm seeing it now that you are blackmailing me with suicide.
It's okay. No, I'm not. But it's okay.
That is what you are doing now.
Prince, it's okay.
So what is the essence of telling me? So what is the essence of you telling me that I should take care of King? I should not allow the father to come close to him.
If anything happens, just help me take care of him. That's what I'm saying. I'm not telling you.
So what did you think that statement means?
I don't know what it means myself.
So you want to go and kill yourself? Yeah, go and kill yourself now.